Ahmad, dosen penguji ujian kinerja PPG Daljab Angkatan 1 tahun 2021. Perkenalkan, nama saya Intan Sulistiawati, mahasiswa PPG Daljab Angkatan 1 tahun 2021, Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris, Universitas Kristen Satya Wacana Solotigo. Pada hari ini, Senin 19 Juli 2021, saya akan melaksanakan praktek pembelajaran untuk melengkapi ujian kinerja PPG Daljab Angkatan 1 tahun 2021 dengan mengambil materi announcement text. Untuk lebih jelasnya, berikut adalah video pembelajarannya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you. And ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, before we start the lesson, please pray first. Arif, can you lead the prayer?
Attention, please. Let's pray. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Arif. Let me check your attendance. Ali Rahmat,
Present.
Arif Ihsan,
Present.
Arik Hafiz. I remind you to always turn on your camera during the lesson, okay? And mute the microphone if it is not used. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Today we are going to study about announcement text. Wait a minute. Can you see my screen? Bisa lihat screen saya?
Bisa.
Okay. Today we are going to study about announcement text. After studying the text, I hope you are able to identify the social function, language feature, and generic structure of the announcement text. And the second, I hope you are able to create the announcement text. And the last is, I hope you are able to present your own announcement text and publish it in your social media. Ya, jadi tujuan kita adalah 3 hal tersebut. Okay, student, I give you a video. Please watch and listen carefully. Okay. I will play the video twice. Check it out. Okay.
Good morning, school. Please listen carefully to these announcements about school uniforms. It is important to respect the school uniform. Please remember, girls shouldn't wear trousers, all girls must wear a purple skirt, and you must wear white socks. You shouldn't wear black or gray socks. Boys can wear a pullover under their purple blazer. The pullover must be blue. It can't be gray or purple. That's the end of this morning's announcement.
Okay guys, can you hear? Ready? After watching the video, do you know what is the video about? Setelah mendengarkan video itu, apakah kamu tahu itu video tentang apa? Halo?
Announcement.
Announcement?
Announcement.
Okay, good. Yeah, good. That's right. It is about pengumuman. Okay. Next. Number 2. Who is announcement for? Untuk siapa pengumuman itu?
For all student.
For?
All student.
All student. Good. Ali Rahman. Okay. And the third. What is information? Can you get from the video? Informasi apa yang bisa kamu dapatkan dari video tadi?
Informasi about school uniform.
Information about school uniform. Good job. Yeah. I have another announcement. I give you an announcement, but it's still incomplete text. Okay? Please complete the announcement below with the suitable word in the box. Okay? I give you 10 words to complete the text. I give you 10 words to complete the text. Please choose the suitable word to complete it. Please work by yourself. I give you 5 minutes to do the task. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, have you finished? Have you finished?
Finish.
Ini
Finish? Okay. Please try to complete the first sentence. Ardan, please. The first sentence, Ardan.
to all
To all, to
blah, blah,
all,
blah.
to all,
to all blah blah blah
blah blah blah.
student.
Students. Okay,
Yes.
is it correct? Betul ya? To all students. Untuk semua siswa. Okay, good. Next, the next sentence. Andika, maybe? Andika? Oke, Andika nggak ada. Arif? Arif? Please, next, the second sentence.
There will blah blah
There
blah
will, blah blah
will
blah.
be
Oke.
a meeting to discuss
Discuss.
the school anniversary.
Okay. There will be a meeting to discuss the school anniversary. Okay, good. Is it correct? Okay. Maybe the next sentence, Wanda. Wanda, please.
We will prepare about service contest to celebration.
Ulangi, Wanda. We will
Prepare
about
service
several
contest to celebration.
to celebrate it.
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, the competition. Next, Arif. Hi.
I blah blah blah. All of you will participate in this meeting.
Okay, I
hope
hope all of you
will participate
participate
in this meeting.
in this meeting. Lalu, do not be late and do not miss it. OSIS chairperson. I want to give you a video about explanation about the announcement text. Okay? Please watch and listen carefully about the explanation. Dika, please mute your microphone, Dika. Okay.
Wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Speak with Hareko, a place in which you can learn many things, particularly English teaching and learning. Dalam video kali ini, kita akan belajar tentang announcement. Pengertiannya apa, struktur teksnya apa, ciri-ciri kebahasaannya seperti apa, terus bagaimana membuatnya, dan satu lagi, seperti apa contohnya. Nah, semuanya akan dibahas di sini. Jika diterjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia, announcement artinya adalah pengumuman. Teman-teman semua pasti sudah pernah kan mendengar ataupun membaca sebuah pengumuman. Coba sebutkan pengumuman apa saja yang pernah kalian dengar atau baca. Ya, bisa banyak ya. Bisa pengumuman tentang kegiatan lomba-lomba di sekolah, kegiatan-kegiatan eskul, rapat OSIS, atau mungkin lowongan pekerjaan, berita duka, berita bahagia, sebuah pernikahan, pengumuman pemenang, iklan, dan lain-lain. Banyak sekali contoh yang dapat kalian explore sebenarnya. Nah, dalam bahasa Inggris, announcement is a spoken or written public statement to let one know what has happened, or more often, what will happen. Sederhananya gini deh, announcement itu adalah sebuah pernyataan umum, baik lisan maupun tulis, dengan tujuan untuk mengabarkan pada orang lain tentang sesuatu yang telah terjadi atau seringnya sih sesuatu yang akan terjadi. Nah, jadi tujuan komunikatif atau social function dari announcement itu adalah to inform the readers or listeners about an event, etc. Oke, nah berikutnya bagaimana ya bentuk struktur teksnya? Baik, struktur teks atau bahasa lainnya adalah generic structure dari announcement adalah sebagai berikut. Yang pertama adalah head atau the title, or type of event or for whom the announcement is given. Head ini biasanya berisi tentang judul pengumuman atau juga kepada siapa sih pengumuman ini ditujukan. Yang kedua adalah body or content. Biasanya body or content ini berisi tentang nama kegiatannya apa, tanggal, tempat, dan seterusnya. Selanjutnya adalah yang gak kalah penting ada closing. Biasanya di sini diisi dengan informasi-informasi lebih lanjut, termasuk tentang kontak person, orang yang dapat dihubungi, dan lain-lain. Kemudian ada juga harus dimasukkan writer atau someone or an institution who make the announcement. Kita harus memasukkan juga siapa atau institusi apa yang membuat undangan tersebut agar jelas. Nah, struktur teks ini tidak harus berurutan ya. Bisa writernya dulu, bisa headnya dulu, atau yang pasti closingnya biasanya di akhir kan, karena dia closing ya. Oke. Selanjutnya adalah dalam membuat pengumuman ada hal-hal penting dan hal-hal menarik yang harus diperhatikan agar pengumuman tersebut mudah dipahami dan efisien. Yang pertama adalah sebuah pengumuman sebaiknya harus brief, inviting, and to the point. Maksudnya adalah pengumuman itu dibuat harus sesingkat mungkin, menarik, dan to the point, atau nggak bertele-tele. Males banget kan baca pengumuman tapi panjang banget gitu ya, bosenin gitu ya. Selanjutnya adalah sebuah pengumuman harus clear and complete. Maksudnya pengumuman itu harus jelas dan lengkap. Artinya jangan menyisakan ruang untuk pembaca atau pendengar bertanya-tanya lagi karena informasinya kurang lengkap. Oke? Nah, sampai di sini ada pertanyaan? Oke, kalau ada pertanyaan silakan teman-teman bertanya di kolom komentar ya. Oke, selanjutnya adalah kita akan lihat sebuah contoh pengumuman sederhana nih. Di sini ada sebuah pengumuman. Perhatikan ya. Attention. SMA Kibang Basketball Club opens recruitment for new members. For all students who are all interested in basketball can come to the basket court at this Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. to fill in a registration form and join our scheduled training. For more information, you can contact William dan seterusnya. Nah, dari pengumuman ini kita bisa melihat ya, pengumuman ini ditujukan kepada semua siswa yang tertarik untuk mengikuti klub basket. Jika dianalisa, maka teman-teman bisa tahu ya bahwa semua informasi sudah lengkap tersedia dalam pengumuman ini walaupun singkat. Mulai dari kegiatannya apa, kemudian waktunya kapan, lokasinya di mana, siapa yang memberi pengumuman, dan juga diberikan kontak person atau orang yang bertanggung jawab memberikan informasi lanjutan jika masih kurang jelas. Oke, nah sampai di sini bisa dipahami ya. Sekian video pembelajaran kita kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat dan selamat belajar. See you.
Okay. After watching the video, after watching the explanation, we know that kita tahu bahwa what is the announcement? Apa itu announcement?
Pengumuman.
Pengumuman. Oke, in Indonesia is pengumuman. Oke. Definition of announcement is a spoken or written text that informs or tells people about something has happened or will happen. Okay? What is the social function? Vira, what is the social function of announcement? Hi Vira.
To tell an information to
People. Okay, good. Jadi itu adalah fungsi sosialnya. And how about the generic structure? Ada berapa generic structure-nya dalam announcement? Oke, Ali. The first is
Opening.
or heading. Oke, di dalamnya mengandung apa saja dalam opening? Title, judul, and receiver. Receiver adalah penerima pengumuman. Oke, and the second, Aroman. The second generic structure apa, Man?
Content.
Oke, and di dalam konten ada apa saja?
Day.
Date,
time,
type,
place.
and place. Okay, good. And the last generic structure of announcement text is Dimas. Apa, Dim? Generic structure yang terakhir.
Yang terakhir. Closing ya?
Ya, closing terdiri dari more information and writer or sender. Oke. Ini adalah contoh identifikasi tentang announcement. Daerah opening. Opening biasanya ada di awal dari text announcement. And the second is content. Content itu biasanya tubuh atau badan dari announcement. And the last is closing. Closing adalah penutup. Seperti ini bentuknya. Oke? And then language feature. Jadi unsur kebahasaan yang biasa digunakan. The first language feature is simple present tense. Simple present tense itu yang seperti apa ya? Ada yang ingat simple present tense seperti apa? Simple present tense adalah yang menggunakan subjek ditambah verb 1 atau verb s. Ketika bentuknya negatif berarti subjek plus do not and ditambah atau plus verb 1. Oke? And the language feature selanjutnya adalah future tense. Future tense itu adalah kegiatan yang akan terjadi. Jadi menggunakan kata will. Jadi nanti dalam announcement there is future tense. And the language feature selanjutnya adalah exact noun. Biasanya dalam announcement menggunakan kata benda. All students, all teachers, or all classmates. Ketika menggunakan all, you must use s. Ada tambahan s. Ini adalah bentuk plural, bentuk jamak. Oke? And language feature selanjutnya adalah date. Bagaimana cara penulisan tanggal? August 17th, 2021. Or you can write the 17th of August 2021 atau 17th August 2021. And you must to know the day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan sampai di sini? Tidak. Oke. Next. I give you 2 texts about announcement. Read the text below. Identify the social function, generic structure, and language feature in discuss in a group. Oke. Tadi saya sudah membagi menjadi 2 grup. Oke, group 1 are Ali, Arif, Arik, Aroman, and Wanda. And group 2 are Andika, Dimas, Ardan, Vira, dan Irawan. Okay, please read the text and then identify the social function, generic structure, and language feature of the text. Please discuss in a group by using WA group. Okay, kamu bisa berdiskusi melalui WA group tentang mengidentifikasikan 2 teks ini. Okay, now please discuss using WA group. I give you 10 minutes to do the task. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Arif, can you read the first text? Arif, silahkan dibaca dulu teks pertama.
Text 1. Announcement to OSIS member. There will be an OSIS meeting to commemorate Indonesia Independent Day.
Okay.
The meeting will be held as follows.
Date
July
July
28, 2021.
Okay.
Place OSIS room. Time 9
to 10
AM.
Okay.
Please come on time. OSIS care person Rian.
Okay. And text 2 Andika. Please read Andika.
Attention please.
Okay.
To Albert Captain. There will be a meeting to prepare the election of OSIS chairperson.
Okay.
This meeting will be held on
Friday, July 20,
July 25,
25th,
2021
and 21.
2021 in the library from 2 3 p.m. Do not miss the meeting. Thank you. OSIS Spirit.
Okay, good. Nah, next, please discuss with your group. Okay, using WA group. I give you 10 minutes to do the task. Okay. But before, is there any question about the task? Ada pertanyaan tentang tugasnya? Hello?
No.
No, okay. Ya, silahkan dikerjakan. I give you 10 minutes. Okay, have you finished? Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Please group 2 present your discussion results. Who wants to present? Andika, Dimas, Ardan, Vira, Irawan. Grup 2, siapa yang mau mempresentasikan? Vira, oke, Vira, please slide share. Saya stop sharing dulu ya. Oke, please Vira, share your presentation. Oke, you can zoom your result. Coba di zoom biar temanmu bisa melihat. Oke, please present your discussion result. Mikrofonmu dulu dinyalakan.
The element of the text.
Oke.
Social function. To inform about text 1. To inform about OSIS meeting to commemorate Indonesian independence.
Oke. Text 2.
Text 2. To inform about a meeting to prepare the election of OSIS chairperson.
Oke, chairperson. Next.
Generic structure. Text 1. Receiver, OSIS member.
Oke.
That July 2,
28.
2021.
Okay.
Time
9 until
9
10
to 10 p.m.
a.m. Okay. Place.
OSIS room.
Yeah.
Sender OSIS care person.
Okay.
Text 2. Receiver all
Receiver.
class captain.
Okay.
Date July 25, 2021.
Okay.
Time from 2 to 3 p.m.
PM. Okay. Place.
Is in the library.
In the library.
Sender OSIS secretary.
OSIS secretary. And how about the language features?
Language feature. Text 1. Simple present. Please come on time.
Okay. Next.
Signature test.
The future tense.
There will be an OSIS meeting.
There will be an OSIS meeting. Okay. And text 2.
Text 2. Simple present tense. Do not miss the meeting.
Okay.
Future tense. This meeting will be held on Friday.
Okay. It is enough? Cukup? Okay, thank you very much, Vira. Okay, what do group 1 think of groups 2 presenting? Maybe group 1. Ali, can you give the feedback or response to group 2 result? What do you think? I think
group 2 is correct.
Okay, I think group 2 is correct. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Please give big applause for group group 2. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Okay, now I give you the next activity. Yeah. Please rearrange the text. The following announcement about OSIS meeting is not written properly. Edit the announcement so that it makes sense. Drag and drop. Ya, jadi teks ini adalah teks tentang announcement, tetapi masih rumpang, belum tersusun dengan rapi. Silakan kalian menyusunnya menjadi satu teks announcement yang baik dan benar. I'll give you 5 minutes to do the task. Okay? Have you finished? Have you finished?
Finish.
Okay. Who wants to try presenting your answer? Arif? Okay, Arif.
Yes.
Share your answer. Share your screen, please. I stop sharing. Okay, please, Arif. Wow. Okay, zoom your answer. Okay. Please present announcement
to all OSIS member.
Okay, good.
There will be a meeting to prepare some event in celebrate Indonesian Independence Day. Place OSIS room.
Ya.
OSIS secretary Marina.
Oke, good job. Betul sekali. Jadi, susunan untuk announcement text yang Arif buat, it is correct. Good job, Arif. Oke. Oke. Berarti kalian please try to create an announcement. Wait a minute. install the Canva application in https://www.canva.com in your handphone. Oke, kamu install dulu aplikasi Canva and then create an announcement text based on the information below and then present it in your class. Oke, imagine that you are the captain of the class. Bayangkan kamu itu ketua kelas. You just had a meeting with OSIS. Okay, during the meeting, you took the following notes. Use your notes to make an announcement to your classmates. Okay, the meeting is about trip to Prambanan Temple. 1 day, 2 nights, departing on November 1st, 2021. Contribution IDR 250. Okay, including transportation, meals, and hotel. Confirmation by October 25th to organizing committee either WA atau WA to Mia at bla bla bla. Ini nomor WA-nya Mia. Your announcement must have date, place, time, sender, and receiver. Okay. Try to make the announcement using Canva application. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan? Oke. Dibuka aplikasi Canva-nya. Buat sekreatif mungkin. Oke? Do you have any difficulty? Ada kesulitan? Ali? Do you have any difficulties?
Ya, Bu.
Bisa? On proses?
Bisa.
Oke. Are you done? Have you finished? Have you finished? Irawan, finished?
Finish.
Okay, Irawan, maybe you want to share your announcement text? I stop sharing. Okay, Irawan, good. Okay, please, Irawan.
Finish.
Okay, nice.
Studi tour in Candi Prambanan.
Okay. Study
Announcement.
tour in Candi Prambanan. Good.
Announcement to you. By next departing on 1 November. Kontribusi 1 DR
IDR.
250,
Okay.
including transportation, meals, hotel.
Okay.
Confirmation by 20
Fifth.
to 5 to 10 to the October to the organizing
Committee.
by SMS Mia
Okay.
055373778.
Yeah.
The leader of the class, Irawan Rahmat Eka Ramadhani.
Okay. SMK Negeri 8.
SMK Negeri 8 Purworejo.
Oke, good job Irawan. Ya, itu seperti itu ya. Next, maybe after the class, you must send your pekerjaanmu ke WA group kita ya. Dikumpulkan semua. Collect the result. Oke? Setelah pertemuan hari ini, nanti dikumpulkan melalui WA group hasil pekerjaan kalian. Oke? Oke. Next, we go to the next activity. Activity 5. Okay. For your homework, guys, publish your own announcement in your social media, Facebook or Instagram or etc. maybe, and then send the screenshot of it to WA group. Okay? Alright. Okay, is there any question? Ada pertanyaan PR kita hari ini?
No.
No.
Tidak.
Okay, it is almost time to stop. But before we finish the lesson today, what is the social function of announcement? Ayo, kita simpulkan pembelajaran kita hari ini. What is the social function? Fungsi sosialnya apa? Dari announcement text. Ada yang ingat? Apa tadi? To inform. Beda? To inform or to give
People.
information to people. Good, Wanda. And how is the generic structure? Generic structure-nya gimana? Ada 3 tadi. There are 3 generic structure. The first is opening. Dika, good. Opening. And the second is content. Yeah. And the last is closing. Good, Dika. And what is the language feature usually used? Language feature-nya apa yang biasanya digunakan? The first is simple
Present tense.
Simple present tense, Vira, good. The second is future tense, ya. And then that day, begitu ya. Oke, time is up. I think that's all for today. Remember your homework. Silakan dikumpulkan screenshot, oke, dalam WA group. Screenshot hasil announcement yang kalian unggah pada sosial media yang kalian miliki. Oke, is there any question? Ada pertanyaan? No ya?
No.
Oke, goodbye everyone. See you next week. Oke, goodbye.
Bye, Mom.
Okay, but before we can take the picture ya. Ayo, dinyalakan. Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. I will take the picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.